maybe you're regretting your new haircut, or trying to grow out your hair for a rapidly approaching event. No matter what your reasons are, there are some practical measures you can take to encourage speedy hair growth. Try enriching hair treatments like a warm oil scalp massage. Adjust your hair care routine in a way that avoids putting stress on your hair. And consume nutrients known to help hair growth like protein and biotin. There are limits on how much hair will grow in a week, but giving your hair a little extra love will maximize hair growth in a short period. 1. Do a warm oil scalp massage. A warm oil scalp massage uses natural oils to improve the health of your scalp and encourage hair growth. Oils like coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, and argan oil can all be used during your scalp massage. Keep in mind, warm scalp massages have not been scientifically proven to lead to faster hair growth. Start by warming up the oil in a bowl of hot water. Test the oil before you use it to make sure it is not scalding hot. You want a comfortable temperature that will not damage your scalp or your hair. Use your fingertips, not your fingernails, to gently massage your scalp with the warm oil in slow, circular motions. If you have a partner or a friend close by, ask them to help you massage your scalp. Have them massage your scalp with their fingertips for about 3 minutes. Then, run the oil through your hair and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Shampoo your hair well, possibly more than once, to remove the oil. Do the oil massage on the days when you normally shampoo, so that you do not end up washing your hair more often than usual. 2. Make a hair mask. Give your hair some TLC and encourage your hair follicles to grow faster. By applying a hair mask once or twice a week, you can make your own natural oil mask or buy over-the-counter hair masks at your local drug store or beauty supply store. Combine 1 cup 237 milliliters of coconut oil with 1 tablespoon 14.8 milliliters almond oil, macadamia oil, and jojoba oil. Apply the mask to damp hair and leave it in for 10 minutes. Then, wash and condition your hair as you normally would. To avoid overwashing, use your hair mask on days when you normally shampoo. 3. Try a castor oil treatment. Castor oil is known for its beneficial effects on skin and hair. 3. Using a castor oil hair mask may help your hair to grow faster and healthier. Start by massaging your scalp with castor oil and allowing the oil to fall into your hair. Wrap your hair and head with a plastic shower cap so the oil stays put. Some of the oil will probably seep out from under the cap, so you may want to spread a towel on your pillow to protect your pillowcase. Leave the oil in overnight. The following morning, wash and condition your hair as you usually would, making sure to remove all the oil. 4. Apply an apple cider rinse. Apple cider vinegar can be very effective at removing dirt, grime, and oil buildup in your hair, as well as any residue from your hair styling products. You can use apple cider on the days you do not use shampoo as a natural alternative, or apply it following your regular shampoo and conditioner routine. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to 2 cups of water and rinse your hair with this mixture. Though the water may smell strongly of vinegar, this smell will fade.